Yeah, sure, my feet. It's your boy, Temeto team, due to my tally. The phenomenal 7. I'm cool. Yeah, my feet, we back with another episode or a vlog or whatever it is. I don't know what to call this, my gents, but yeah. It's one of those days, man. As in, I went to training Yama Ninja, which is currently the champions of Toza Easter tournament. So I went to their training as they prepare for the tournament. I'm not sure which tournament are they preparing, but it's a winter tournament, and I got to meet the legendary Tebo Mokoena. Not Tebo Mokoena, the one that you were thinking, the Sundowns ones, no. The Chomo Cosmos one, Black ACs, you know, man, he even went to take it. Rashaya issue me number 10 in Bafana have Cavs, Bafana legendary, and they will be having him very soon. Like a podcast, so it's not something new, Chinyana. Clipping with Manjaban, keep you up to date, Nyana, into the Sekas, Nyana. We'll continue like going to Amanya teams, Nanan, watching their training sessions now. So, like, it's cards, you must always see, man, you will see my training sessions. I'm a buyer. This, I guess, so by Indians are regularly. So, but then let's get to it. Let's just get to it. Their training. It was not something huge, and I'm a basic, I'm a buyer. But yeah, it was in a combination play. I guess Ryan's a small sided. When I say small sided, it's PC, but then Tikita Kanyan Baslanganise, I'm touches as they preparing for the game about the weekend. Let's get to it, Bafito.
Sebastian! Ja! Ja! Okay, relax. Okay. Abamaki. Relax. Ya spinning pa hizi. Uzokolela unkulunkulu wakho phaka. Ay, one by all. Bamsa. Sasa, lekhanda. Chom. Angimphathile ohluleke. Hayi phezulu. Mara ohluleke ngimphathile. Singajwayele. Phezulu sinja zami singajwayele. Ngakho umuntu omude la ekhaya. Uma uthi. Singajwayele nje. Ngathi. Ja, weer een schaar. One. Yes, we got the ball. Oh, so many chances. No, see, we don't. Ja, ga celebrate with the challenge. Oh, boom. Zaka. Vamos, Chapi. Chave, boy. Come on, Peter Fernando. Come on, put. Rise up. Yes, Rosie. Join. Yes, got it. Only man, boy. Let's team up, boy. Pick up. That's already two of them. It's already mess. It's already bang.
So much I'm shishi. None. Sure, so ngizile fanda ku training session yenu ne after nine tournament, Easter tournament enkulu. So what comes behind the Kamala Ninja?
Amaninja ligama ngathi ligama lithe sabonisana nabajita njengosilana sijima sabonisana ukuthi leli gama leli kahle kahle lapho iqala khona ithi ngiyiqale phansi ninja lapho iqala khona nje yami iyimlogazini no siloko sithoina ama tournament ama top 8 ne la eKasi yabo so ukazini uze negama elithi ama Palestina mina ngaza ngegama elithi amaninja so masiloko sijoina uninja uzaba bajidi yabona uyo organizer ya uyohlanganisa ya uninja ukazini uye masithoine ngama Palestina ukazini uhlanganisayo yabona so lapho sabona elamaninja lilo lwinayo yabona lilo lenza izinto lezenzeke yabona ya laqala kanjalo savotilana amajeni saphuma
nelogama so since in tournament after ilento le there was ama talks amabhaya akhulumile which is maybe angesikhulume ngawo manje so since namhlanje ngibona nidlala iRwanda so what was behind the Rwanda today?
No, sifuna yazifanda khone decide ukuthi namhlanje shaya nje iRwanda sifuna kuyile ukufunda ukudlala kuyi under high pressing yabo sikhona ukuphuma and we are preparing for tournament esoyidlala this coming weekend this Sunday
so I'm a combination play in this week
so I'm a combination play
so there's no high in Tonton this week
basically
right. So you're prepared
so prepared
so because okay in tournament so the pressure in against Nina maybe saying Nekama because of you just won the Easter tournament and I guess it was a big tournament in Kaluwi join
wena nje yami yazi ukuza lapho no ipressure no thina sina pressure sina pressure nje yami besine pressure before manje sesina something asina pressure yibo abane pressure thina sina pressure
Okay, siyabonga. So you captain of the team, right?
Captain of the team, Ukhet no Thabisa.
Sure. So what are you in the team? You player now?
Una player.
Chairman, he's also.
You player yet.
Nah.
You player jaya.
Nah, akupshishi ngiyabonga nemfethu.
Sure jaya. Thank you.
Shapiri. Mnandi. Shake amabani mfethu.
Awulungile. Mara bangazi ngogeneral uJenesibali.
uJenesibali. So uJenesibali, what are you in the team?
Angizwa.
Uyini kule team now?
Mina ngiplay.
You play kule team.
Player sure.
So since you joined in amaninja.
Akudala abajita shooting aqalo ukudlala nawo yabo.
Yeah.
Ngathi bengilokolo ngekho ngayekasi but amajita dala ngaqala nawo.
No. Since you know Inchima.
Sure.
So this weekend is our team ngidlala tournament, so which is the preparation is ngidlala irondo namhlanje.
Sure.
So I'm a combination play. Because what I've seen since Inchima fanda ngathi women character isikhathi sibaya usemaphakathini. So umnikazi wepaye yahlila umanzini.
Sho ukuthi i-game plan yamajita yabo. Kuthi obvious combination play. Sidlala nje yimo vocal yabo most of the time.
Yeah.
So I prefer ukuthi yimo amajita awaba i-heartbeat yethi.
Okay. So ungitshele kancane before siyiva labo. Ngitshele kancane nge-trip yakho to Northwest because of isikhathi sibhaya. I guess udlalile isikhathi sibhaya like asi. What made you to go to Northwest because of uyathatha break nyana abangathi umuntu ozoliyeka nyana ibhola. So what made you to go to Northwest and who saw you to Northwest?
Shoot. Hey, yabona vele mawuringa ivale program ukuthi vele bese ngiliyeka idisk yabo. But then it's not easy angeke uvuke vandag uyaliyeka idisk.
Yeah.
Apparently it was August, end of August. Last year bengidlala i-tournament Greenfield esikolweni. Bengidlalela i-IA but bathi yini Petro. So after the tournament I got a call from Coach Buti, which is Coach Uncle Isile.
Was high school?
From high school yabo. Kuthi ndoda khona team yaku ABC Motsipe eNorthern Cape idinga ama player. So yeah, I move yam to Northern Cape ivele kanjalo.
So because if you've seen ama videos amaningi awakho like we are performer kare.
Sure.
We are performer. So how is it now because of changing environment? It's something different. So how do you adjust more for ngare?
Bra uyabona emotive if into okudala uyifuna isikhathi esibhayi. So lento lekudala ngifuna leya chance eyi1 ukuthi yabo ngithola iclub.
Yeah.
So mankade emotive yami ukuthi lento engiyitholile ngiyibambe ngezandla Z2 because akukho lula ukusuka ngayikasi uyothola i-team kwelinye side yabo.
Yeah.
So whatever oyitholayo bambelela kuyo.
So bambelele ngare kakhulu.
Sure, emotive.
So how is it because of manje we see Pratevs which is a legend very cool, played in Turkey,
Sure.
Played in national team. How is it ukujima nayo like being around umuntu onjalo? What advice anika wona njengama-chance?
Ama-recruitment yabo amabhaya ama-recruitment ngayi adlalile PSL yabo.
Besides sikhuluma nge-PSL even abroad.
Yeah, even abroad yabo ama-recruitment ayasiphusha ukuthi abajita yabo nina nisasebancane nisasene-energy discipline hlalani ni-discipline nje whatever niyitholayo bambezelani izinto zami bayasikhuthaza ama-recruitment yabo.
So i-pressure le for weekend ithini yona?
I-pressure into engekho. Into engekho pressure obvious wenza into siyaziyo si-squad yabo amajita aza nayo obvious sizokwenza into siyaziyo.
Okanjani ngiyabonga Johannesburg.
Bonga mina